What's going to happen is the arrow is going to be pointed the direction of the air. Now, on most systems, the direction of the air is towards the furnace.
I was asking the question, how do you know you're putting your filter in the correct way?
Filters are, current filters like this that are higher quality will have directional arrows, okay? The directional arrows are not just suggestions. The main reason there's an arrow is because when you're trying to pull air through a section, and again, it's going to have a filter which is going to create a restriction and increase pressure. So what happens is this filter wants to fold in. It wants to kind of push in there. And you don't want the filter to get sucked into the blower compartment. It can damage parts inside the furnace.